Today we'll talk about how can you select grid on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, you just keep going down here. You come here to grid here, and here, so can you select your grid here. So that's all you have to do to select it in this list. That's all. I wish know you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.